Join me as I dive into the wild world of natural disasters and see if I can uncover the science behind them before the Earth throws another curveball. Natural disasters are a harsh reminder of the awe-inspiring power of nature and the devastating impact it can have on our planet and its inhabitants. Earthquakes, hurricanes, tsunamis, and volcanic eruptions are just a few examples of the many types of disasters that can strike at any moment, leaving destruction and chaos in their wake. But what drives these events, and what can we do to prepare for them? In recent years, we've seen a significant increase in the frequency and intensity of natural disasters, posing a major challenge to communities, ecosystems, and global stability. From the wildfires that ravaged Australia to the Category 5 hurricanes that devastated the Caribbean, it's clear that our planet is facing unprecedented threats. This raises important questions about the underlying causes of these events and what we can do to mitigate their effects. As we've seen time and time again, natural disasters are often unpredictable and can strike without warning, catching us off guard and leaving us vulnerable to their fury. But what if I told you that there's a science behind these events, a complex interplay of forces that drive them? From the movement of tectonic plates to the formation of hurricanes, understanding the underlying mechanisms that drive natural disasters is crucial to preparing for them. Take earthquakes, for example. These seismic events are caused by the movement of tectonic plates, which can build up immense pressure over time. When this pressure becomes too great, the plates will shift, releasing energy in the form of seismic waves that can cause widespread destruction. Or consider hurricanes, which form over warm ocean waters, fueled by the heat and moisture they absorb. As they move towards land, they can bring with them powerful winds, torrential rainfall, and devastating storm surges. Then there are volcanic eruptions, which can be triggered by a range of factors, including the movement of tectonic plates, the buildup of magma and gas, and even changes in the Earth's climate. These eruptions can be catastrophic, spewing ash and rock into the atmosphere, affecting global climate patterns, and causing widespread destruction. By understanding the science behind these events, we can better prepare for them and work to mitigate their effects. One of the most devastating natural disasters in recent memory is Hurricane Maria, which struck Puerto Rico in 2017. This Category 5 hurricane brought with it winds of over 150 miles per hour, causing widespread destruction and killing an estimated 3,000 people. But what made Maria so intense and so unpredictable? The answer lies in the complex interplay of atmospheric and oceanic conditions that fueled its formation, and the lack of preparedness that made it so deadly. In conclusion, natural disasters are a powerful reminder of the awe-inspiring power of nature, and the devastating impact it can have on our planet and its inhabitants. By understanding the science behind these events, we can better prepare for them, and work to mitigate their effects. The Earth may be trying to kill us, but with knowledge, preparation, and determination, we can stay one step ahead of its fury. Thanks for watching. If you've experienced a natural disaster, share your story in the comments below. And if you want to dive deeper into the science behind these events, be sure to check out our next video, where we'll explore the geology behind earthquakes and volcanic eruptions.